My name's Jose, and I've been living the most amazing life in Fiji since I quit my job 5 years ago with the intention to sail around the world. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll share my adventures with you. Make sure to check out Sailing Sabbatical on Instagram, where you can keep up to date on my adventures and find a link to apply and maybe even join this crew one day. When COVID struck around the world, I thought it would be a great time to come back to California and catch up with old friends and do some land adventures. With San Francisco covered in ash from the wildfires in California, it was time to get out. And that's right when Eston gave me a call and he told me about a camping trip. My scheduling was a little bit tight because I had another trip planned, but I figured it was worth driving 8 hours round trip to get an afternoon, night, and morning of camping with my friend. Got a little bit of a terrain change over here. Check this out. Maybe I should have asked more questions because all I had were some vague directions and a GPS point to follow in the middle of the Sierras. Eventually I made it, and after a quick introduction to Travis, I was told that we had to stop our games and get to work because we still had a lot to prepare for tonight. That's Morgan and Aston's kid, Ronan.
Oh, don't fall with it.
And that's Travis, Eston, and I pushing up one of the many carts of gear, to where we're going to launch a 20 horsepower outboard with a dinghy. Maybe I didn't emphasize enough that this wasn't your ordinary kind of camping trip. There was a serious team effort going on to get everything onto the dinghy and to the campsite. We even had Mushi, a dog, as part of the crew. lugged all the gear to the campsite, set up our tents, and then it was time to relax with a couple of beers, some good friends, and some great views. Something I had never seen before on a camping trip was this fresh water source that they had tapped into, put a copper coil, built a fire under, and eventually fed the water into this big tarp that formed a 10 to 12 person hot tub. How cool is that? That's more of a sauna than a hot tub. And when I say hot tub, I mean hot tub. Pay close attention to Ronan.
Okay, wait for a minute, okay? Okay, throw it in. He's like, I'm right here, in case you were wondering. You just clean up after us. If you don't lose, you probably will.
Yeah, when you're spending money.
You guys prefer the colder one? He prefers the colder newer beers?
What do you think he's saying?
Okay, ¿qué tiene fuego? ¿Qué tiene fuego?
Let me see, I want to see it. Before you throw it. Whoa!
You want to put on fire?
Well, you throw it.
Go throw it.
Charged!
You want to put that one on?
This one that my wet butt is sitting on? We gotta chill on this one. But you can do like little tiny ones.
Oh, little tiny one. This is great.
This is great.
Want some of those?
Oh, I found two.
Yeah, work up.
Louder! Louder!
Yeah, work up. Throw it in there. Throw it.
Three more. This one is a shorter one.
Yeah, that was a good break.
Put it in.
Alright, I'm doing this and ready, set.
I'm gonna do another big one.
Yeah! Freaking boom!
Oh, then another one.
Alright, let's do it. Get this party started.
Alright, put her in the fire.
You gotta look into it.
This is the nice one.
You will be up at 7.
Go for it. Yeah. 3,
Therefore, lucky you.
2.
I'm hoping he'll take a nap tomorrow, but
Definitely.
Definitely. This is the last one. Good job. Go for it.
Alright.
Now let's put some more big ones in.
The colder it got into the night, the more popular the hot tub. Join me in the next episode when we wake up real early to go for a very epic climb. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little mini adventure, and I hope you subscribe for more and follow me on Instagram, Sailing Seabatical. See you there.